In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Move command in AutoCAD. Whether you're a beginner getting your bearings or an experienced user looking to refine your skills, mastering this command can significantly enhance your workflow. So let's dive right into it and see how it's done. First off, bring your attention to the command line, a powerful tool in AutoCAD that allows precise control over your actions. Begin by typing Move right into that command line and pressing Enter. This action initiates the Move command, setting the stage for us to relocate objects efficiently within your drawing. Upon activating the command, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the object or objects you wish to move. At this point, you should carefully select all the items you'd like to relocate. Click on each element, or trigger a selection window around the group you intend to move. Once you've made your selections, press Enter to confirm. Remember, thoroughness in this step ensures accuracy in your final positioning. Next, you'll be asked to specify the base point for the move. The base point serves as your anchor, determining the distance and direction relative to your object's new location. You have a couple of options here. Manually type in the coordinates if you have precise measurements, or more practically, use your mouse. The most effective way is to select a significant point within the object, like the bottom left corner. This choice ensures a manageable and intuitive relocation process. When you click on your chosen base point, you'll notice that the object moves with your cursor, anchored to that base point. It's almost like the object is glued to your mouse, ready to be positioned at your command. Your visual cue is robust since it allows a clear, real-time preview of where your object will land. Now, for the final touch, simply guide your cursor to the desired new location for your object. When you're satisfied with the spot, click to place the object there, completing the move. Alternatively, for precision, you can type in a specific distance, such as 100, to move your object 100 units in any direction your mouse is pointing. This feature is particularly handy when you're working with specific measurements and need accurate placement. And there you go. With the Move command, you've effectively repositioned your elements within AutoCAD, all while maintaining full control over placement and precision. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you interact with these commands, the more efficient you'll become in executing your designs. Feel free to rewind and review these steps as needed, and don't hesitate to adjust your methods as you grow more comfortable with the interface. Thanks for joining me today.